Hello, how are you?
Hi Rudraksh, I am good. What about you?
I'm fine, thank you for asking.
Let's go for a bicycle ride.
Sure, that is a good idea.
I am so thirsty. Let's go.
Okay, let's have some water. Let's lock our bicycles.
For my bicycle, lock is not needed.
Did you heard what Shlok said?
Yes.
He did not lock his cycle.
Yes, she did not lock.
Take his cycle and go away.
You should not take without permission.
I will take care.
Start.
It is your wish.
Okay, I will take his cycle. Something is wrong, let's run.
Try to steal my cycle.
How did you do that?
If we touch it, it will give alarm sound.
How did you make it?
This is my new invention, touch sensor.
Please explain me about touch sensor.
Let's go to my lab.
What is the setup?
This is touch sensor, power source, buzz sensor, breadboard, few jumper pads, Arduino and Arduino board.
What is the function of touch sensor?